students, we have seen about the effects of World War II, that was economical when communism entered in China, and the beginning of World War when the two superpowers America and Russia were against each other. Then we have seen how League of Nations had a failure. They were not able to maintain peace in the world. Then after World War II, United Nations was formed, and we have seen about it, right? So we will see about the organs of United Nations. What are the different parts of United Nations and where the headquarters is? We will see it from our textbook. Okay, organs of United Nations. So the structure adopted by United Nations to achieve its aim. United Nations aim was to maintain peace in the world. Includes three organs. General Assembly, second was Security Council, third Economical and Social Council, and fourth Tutorship Council, and fifth International Court of Justice, and sixth Secretariat. So we will see one by one about these organs. The first activity of the organ of United Nations was General Assembly. So the biggest organ of United Nations is the General Assembly. It includes representatives of all member nation. So all the member nation of United States representatives are included in the General Assembly. Every nation can set maximum 5 representatives to this. So every nation, there are member of United Nations, can send 5 representatives to this. But during elections, only one vote of each country is counted. Only these 5 representatives can make only one vote. It can discuss, advise, suggest or recommend on any matter related to international relation. It accepts the budget presented by the Secretary General. So these two are the major activities of the organs of United Nations. Every represented nations can send a maximum of 5 representatives, and during election they will be considered as one, because their vote will be considered once only. Okay. Now we will see about Secretary Council. This is the most important organ of the United Nations. 5 permanent members in this is America, Britain, France, Russia and China. So these are the 5 permanent members of Security Council. Other than 10 countries are not permanent members. They are elected for a term of 2 years by the General Assembly. So these are the only 5 permanent members: America, Britain, France, Russia and China. The remaining countries are not the permanent members. This council enjoys tremendous power in order to maintain international peace and security. These members of the councils enjoys tremendous power, means they have many powers in order to maintain the international peace and security. To solve the problem and dispute of the nation peacefully through negotiation and mediation. So what is their basic purpose? They will solve the problems and dispute among the different nations peacefully without any war through negotiation. Means they will talk between these two nations and try to bring a solution to the problem. When any one permanent member does not vote in support of some important international matter, it cannot take a decision on that. So among these 5 members, if one says no to vote in support of some important international matter, then they will not take any decision on that. The power of 5 permanent members is called veto or right to deny. Means they can deny to make any decision on any important international matter. Russia has used this veto power maximum number of times. So Russia is a place that have used this power many times. Means they can deny to vote, the right to deny or veto, and Russia is the nation that has used this power maximum time. So we have seen about the General Assembly, then Security Council. Now we will see about Economic and the Social Council. This council is also called ECOSOC. The General Assembly appoints 2/3 of its retiring members for 3 years. This council tries to raise the standard of living of the nation of the world without any bias of religion, caste and region. So what is their general purpose? The general purpose is to raise the standard of living of the nation of the world without any bias. Means they will not treat anyone based upon their religion, caste or region they are living in. This council and its sub-council works all over the world. So this council and it has also sub-councils that works all over the world. WHO, World Health Organization, which works to improve the health of the people of the world. Their basic aim is to improve the health of the people living in this world. IMF, International Monetary Fund, works to establish financial stability. They works to establish a financial stability towards the country. So the councils like WHO and IMF we have seen. Other than them, they are FAO, Food and Agricultural Organization, that helps to improve agriculture production, forestry and fishery, and raise the nutrition level. Food and Agricultural Organization improve the agriculture production and even raise the nutrition levels. ILO, International Labour Organization, works to provide rights and justice to laborers of the world, or those who are working as laborer. This organization works to provide justice to them. They will look into the matter where any injustice is happening with laborers. UNICEF, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. United Nations makes sure that child welfare activities to improve the health of the child of the world by providing nutritional food and education. So this organization will look after the child welfare activities. They will make sure that every child in this world has nutritional food and education. UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, works to improve the cooperation between nations by removing illiteracy, raising the standard of living of people through education, providing justice to everyone, education, science and cultural resources. So this cooperation works between the nations by removing illiteracy, by raising the standard in which peoples are living, which can happen through education. They provide justice, education and science and cultural resources to every nation. This is what UNESCO is looking into.